In this video, I'm going to show you some gel polish from Makartt, and this set comes with 6 different colors. Hi everyone, welcome back to Just Doing Nails. And this set we're going to look at today is a holographic gel set. It's from Makartt. Let's go ahead and open it up. Also want to remind you to subscribe to Just Doing Nails if you're not subbed yet, and also remember to hit that like button for me. So I'm just going to skim across these instructions really fast. They have some nice tips in here, also some frequently asked questions. Okay, so here are the bottles. They are very colorful, which I love. And this is a nail lamp I'm going to be using today. I'll go ahead and leave that link in the description below, and I'll leave the video right up there in the right hand corner for you guys if you're looking for a nice lamp. Here's the first color, and it's like a white glittery type of color. The first thing that came to mind when I saw this was this is perfect for a Christmas design. I mean, look at that. Beautiful. I want to add that if you're new to gel polish, you will need a gel lamp to cure these nail polishes. And I did do a couple of videos on different lamps, so I'll leave those links down in the description to those videos as well. All right, I cured that for 60 seconds for that first coat. And I also did a second coat. I'm going to do a second coat on all of these just so you guys get that full color. Here's the first color, and it's called 991. Isn't that just adorable? Oh, let's look at the second color. It's an orange kind of salmon color. And this color I feel would be good for winter, autumn season. It could also be good for summer. Like all of these colors I felt would transfer well from one season to the other season. And I am going to cure that again for 60 seconds for the first coat. And the second coat I also cure for 60 seconds just to be sure that it's completely dry. Here's that color, 992. I mean, it's really hard not to like any of these colors because I love glitter. I know there's a lot of people that love glitter as well. So next is this pink color, which is one of my favorite colors. You guys, let me know what's your favorite color or colors. For me, I would have to say it would be pink and blue. I don't really know which one comes first. Sometimes I think it depends on the shade of the color, you know, because there's all different types of colors of pinks and different blues. Let me know down in the comments below, what are your favorite colors? And here's that color, 993. Very beautiful. And here we have a green color. And like the white one, this one would be perfect for a Christmas design. Look at it. Oh, or St. Patrick's Day, you know, if you do that. It's just it's like an emerald type color. I love it. And I usually don't care for green, but it has glitter in it. So there you go. All right, so that color is called 994. Next is blue. Now this one definitely reminded me of why it's called the Mermaid series. This just reminded me of Mermaid. This color right here. Isn't it beautiful? So I hope you guys are having a great morning, evening, noon, night, whatever the case may be. And I also want to thank you for joining me for another review today. I really appreciate it. Here is that color for you, 995. And remember to hit that like button for me if you guys are enjoying my content. It'll help YouTube recommend my videos and get them to more people who will enjoy them and get something out of them. Also remember to subscribe to Just Doing Nails if you're not subscribed yet. All right, this next color is a purple color. And I feel like purple is one of those colors too where people either really love it or they don't care for it too much. I'm kind of like, I don't know yet, but I love this one because it has what? Glitter, right? Okay. All right, so here is that color. That's 996. Very beautiful. So here are those colors all together before I head out. Let me know if you guys have tried this set before and if you liked it, or if you didn't, or if you had problems with it. Let me know down in the comments below. Thank you guys for joining me again for another review. Again, this is from Makartt and it's their Mermaid series. Please remember to subscribe to Just Doing Nails if you haven't joined me yet, and remember to hit that like button. I'll see you guys on my next review.